I have my chicken here. Those are my chicken wings that are thoroughly washed. So here are the ingredients I'm gonna use to season the chicken first. So I have here my ginger paste, garlic paste, some chicken bouillon. I have some paprika, some chili flakes here, the paprika, some turmeric powder and black pepper. And I have a little bit of soy sauce to add to it. But first of all, let's put some salt. We need some salt, and I will add all my seasoning. And all this powder, seasoning to it, and I will go ahead and mix them. Now I'll add my soy sauce to it and mix it. So after mixing this, I'll go ahead and cover it up and let it sit for an hour. This is the second step of my fried chicken wing. I have some flour. With this flour, I'm gonna dip my wing in. But before that, I will have to season it. Here I have my garlic powder, my paprika powder, ginger powder, turmeric, and some salt. And here I have some cornstarch. Okay, let's go mix it. First, I add my cornstarch, and I'll go ahead and add all the seasoning to it. I'll drop everything that I use in my description box to be available to you whenever you want to do the same recipe. Okay, so now you just go ahead and mix it. That is what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm back with my seasoning after 1 hour of chicken seasoning. First, I'll go ahead and dip my chicken wing. See how well it's seasoning. So I will dip in the flour. I'll spoon this like this. I will dip in the flour. Make sure it's well coated with the flour. And now I will drop it in water, room temperature water, and then take it out, dip it back into the flour, your seasoned flour. Well coated, that's what you want, to get that crispy outside, crispy and flaky outside. So you see how it is, that's what you want. And then I will leave it here. I will just do 2 at a time. So this is my second one. I'll do the same thing. Drop in water, take it out, dip it back in your flour, again make sure it's well coated And there you go. So you just continue to do the same thing until you got all your chicken well dipped, and then you proceed to the frying. Now I'm done with the chicken flour dip. Now let's proceed to the frying. Okay, this is it. Now we're gonna go ahead and fry them. Let's pour some oil. We're gonna deep fry this, so you'll need like about 2.5 cups of oil. So let's fry. I'll do this 2 at a time. Let's flip it. Let's see. Oh yeah. That beautiful yellowish color comes from the turmeric. I love it. So about after 10 minutes, this is it. All fried, cooked and crispy. So if you are using maybe chicken legs, you might be wait for around 12 to 13 minutes for it to get well cooked through. So that is my second batch. Well done. You see this kind of beautiful color and crunchiness. It is flaky and so delicious. It was tasty. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.